exposing the shocking moment that shook the nation. Trump grazed by a bullet at a rally. During a campaign rally in Pennsylvania, former President Donald Trump faced an assassination attempt. Shots rang out, and Trump was grazed by a bullet to the ear. Swift action by Secret Service agents saw Trump rushed off the stage. Texas leaders, including Governor Greg Abbott and Senator Ted Cruz, expressed their shock and support. Governor Abbott, unwavering in his defense, insisted this would not deter Trump. The White House confirmed President Biden had been briefed and condemned the act, calling for unity and civility. The attack cast a dark shadow over the Republican National Convention, where Trump was set to be nominated. Despite the chaos, Trump returned to the stage, raising his fist defiantly. An image that struck a chord with his supporters. Democrats also condemned the violence, urging for peaceful political discourse. This event underscores the intense divisions in our political landscape. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.